Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how you can add payment option in Google Form. In order to do that, first of all, you have to come on this website which is google.com.form. So for this tutorial, I will create a blank form. Just simply click on the blank form, and over here, for example, I sell some services, my services, and I will add some option which is $10, add another $20, add another which is $20, and add one more which is $30. Oh sorry, I have $20, $30 and $40. So this is a basic example. I just remove this and this is required and choose the plan. So what I will do is, so this is a basic service unit Google form. So now we have to add uh, add on into our form. So just simply for that to add, just simply click on these three dots in the right, and from there you have to click on the get add-ons, and from there you have to search for payables for form, and choose the first option which will appear, and click the install button. Now let's configure the payable form settings. Now it will ask you to set preferences. Now first choose the Google account. Now click on the continue, give the all access necessary, and it will add the add-on, this add-on. Now payable form is installed, it is installing. It will take few seconds. Just click on the get started, and if you're not able to access it, just go into add-ons over here and choose the payable form. Now let's configure the payment sections. Just simply click over here. In the bottom you will get to see this short card. From there you have to choose auto configure form and sheet. Just simply click over there and it will configure form and sheet. So give all the, see the connect Google Sheet, and click over here, and it will connect the Google Sheet with this Google form, and as you can see here. So yes, now after connecting the Google Sheet with the Google form, just click on the connect payment provider over here, click over here, and now here you have to connect the right payment provider for you. For example, I use PayPal. So what I will do is I will connect the PayPal with this and give all necessary permission. Connect the PayPal standard. Now here you have to log in. Motorcycle, give all the fill all the captcha, and now here you have to log in your PayPal. So I will just stop it. As you can see, I have entered all the necessary details in the PayPal, and click after entering the details you have to click in the agree and connect. So it will basically connect your PayPal with this add-on which is payable form. So whatever the payment will happen, it will send to your direct PayPal. So thank for signing. You know have an account, you have successfully integrated PayPal with PayPal. So if you want to set up automatic transfer, you can do that. I will just simply go back to Paybell. So go there and just close this withdrawal, and it will connect the PayPal with Paybell. Check the connection status. Now let's make form Paybell and enable test mode. Just close this. Now in the left side you will get to see this, make this form Paybell. Just choose yes, and it is enabling form. Us again. So valid error, no payable question detected. It looks like your form is missing probably formatted payable question. Make sure. Okay, so we have to give the item name in the service item 1. So I will remove these two, item 2. So just check now. Okay, so I have to give dollar sign in the left side of the number. And make this enable again. So maybe this time it will work, as you can see here. So let's try your form now. Click on that. So sorry, this document is not published. Click on the publish. You can test it anyway. So click on the test mode, one for practice, and for practice just click on that. Now click on the publish button over here in the left, top right corner. So publish and see for the practice. Got it. And see for the practice, configure. Now let's try again to make this form active. So it will just try your form now. So now what I will do, I will just enter my email address of 381 gmail. So whatever the email is, just enter that. I will use the temporary email and choose the plan. Take and click on the submit. After entering your email, the question has changed. Please review a response. As you can see here, this telling me some indication. Okay, I have to enter different email address. So I have entered the different email address earlier. So after entering, you will get to see this email over here and put it down and enter the email, copy the email. Just I'm using just for tutorial. So enter that and click the choose the plan and click on the submit. So it will take this to the checkout section. As you can hear, click on the checkout. So it will redirect to that page of checkout. Just enter the email, find my order. So this is how you can add payment option in Google Form. So we have linked this Google Form payment method with this Google Form. So yeah, that's it for today's video, and thanks for watching. If you have any kind of question, you can ask in the comment section, and thanks for watching.